Let's learn how to say I'm thirsty in Chinese. Starting with the word thirsty. 口渴 Please repeat after me. 口渴口渴口渴口渴 Let's do it faster. 口渴口渴口渴 First, let's practice how to express I'm thirsty in Chinese. Please repeat after me. 我口渴我口渴 Now let's put it into action. I'm thirsty. I want to drink some water. Please repeat after me. 我口渴我想喝点水 Next, I'm thirsty. I want to drink some milk. Please repeat after me. 我口渴我想喝点牛奶 Last, I'm thirsty. I want to drink some soy milk. Please repeat after me. 我口渴我想喝点豆浆 You've got it! Well done! 好样的 See you tomorrow. 明天见 I've spent lots of time, energy, and effort into making this video for you to learn Chinese. Please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina. No boring grammar. Or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.